Update on the Thruxton. It's been running around for the last couple of weeks, so mechanically fine. I've just started going through and cleaning things up, getting rid of rust off spokes, so they're coming up fairly well. They're going to need quite a few more polishes to take care of them, but in time they'll come really good. There's little issues like mounts and things that need to be pulled off and cleaned or repainted, but generally been working at cleaning some alloy up. I've got to get a buff onto them to finish them off properly, but the other things like shocker, I've de-rusted this, needs good polish, but the rest of the bike's coming fairly good. You can see here, that's how rusty the spokes have been, and this is what they're coming up like. That's before final go over with some polish and a scourer, but that's just using a Brillo pad on them. Here's the other shock that I haven't attacked yet, so yeah, there's good amount of rust and stuff to come off that, but it's cleaning up reasonably well. It's not like new, but it's going to be like a 10-year-old bike, which is what it is. That's the sort of condition the alloy's in, so it needs a good polish, but really happy with it. You're getting a roadworthy on it next week and rego on it, so really happy. It rides well, fun bike.